Hello everyone, I'm Mohit Sachdeva and today I'm excited to talk about how intelligent automation, which is known as IA, come in combination with business process management known as BPM, is transforming how we operate, innovate and deliver the value. This isn't just about an automation, it's about enabling strategic intelligent business evolution. Coming to the next slide, it talks about global momentum and market trends. So, what we have seen in the recent Deloitte research, it shows that globally 73% of the organizations are already on their intelligent automation journey. 58% are using AI to scale automation platform. And this just isn't a trend, it's a movement. In fact, we are seeing an ROI in under a year for many organizations, with 93% are reporting outcome that meet or exceed their expectations. Also, we have seen that 58% of organizations are scaling AI-enabled automation platform. And the average ROI time that is achieved by most of the organization is around 11 months. Coming to the next slide, here I talk about why intelligent automation and business process management is used. So combining I with BPM unlocks real process transformation. In terms of process efficiency, we are talking about reducing the cycle time up to 90%, improving the compliance free, and it almost free up 30% of employees' time spent on normal day-to-day repeated tasks. And this isn't just automation, it's intelligent orchestration. Second, about data utilization, real-time analytics with 80% faster data retrieval. So BPI, which is also known as business process integration, it enables advanced data utilization by ensuring consistency across previously siloed application. And in terms of customer experience, we have seen that there is a 20 to 30% increase in satisfaction and 40 to 60% faster service. Going to the next slide, which talks about the key benefits of using IA with BPM. And what we have seen is the impact is multidimensional here. Better decision making through machine learning, improved customer experience via natural language, and continuous optimization. And it's not about replacing humans, right? But enhancing what they do best while machines handle the day to day grunt work. In terms of efficiency, process cycle time reduces by almost 90%. Second key benefit is regarding decision making. Machine learning is a real game changer here. It allows the BPM system to adapt and optimization on the fly, monitoring, analyzing, and adjusting without manual intervention, but still keeping humans in the loop for all the strategic oversight. And that makes the combination very deadly. Third important benefit of is the customer experience. When we use IA to streamline customer journeys, satisfaction increases by up to 30%. And conversational AI understand emotional signal and context, leading to faster, more personalized support and better brand loyalty. Coming to the next slide, which shows about what are the leading tools used for IA and BPM ecosystem. Some of the top players include UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Kofax, and Pegasystems. And each of these tools have their unique strengths, from document processing to cognitive automation to process orchestration. And tool selection completely depends on your business needs and the strategy involved. So, UiPath is a leader in end to end automation with task process mining capabilities. Coming to Automation Anywhere is a cloud native 360 platform, which is scalable automation platform. Pegasystem, they are very strong in orchestration and case management with Pega Robotics, and also they have coverage in mobile solutions as well. Coming to Kofax, it's specialized in document intensive process with RPA along with very advanced OCR. Coming to the next slide, which talks about how in business process selection and prioritization work. So what we have observed is that organizations that focus on business value not just the technical ease, see the most return. As you can see, that's occupying the top slab in this pyramid. It starts with finance, HR, or tax department, live for transformation. It also uses a formal selection framework to ensure alignment with their strategic goals. The next slide, it talks about the governance framework for IA and BPM integration. So this particular slide talks about a governance is important for how the governance is important for IA and BPM. Here, governance is the key. 69% of high performing organizations have automation centers of excellence. Success really lies in balancing central standards with local execution and defining very clear roles based on the business and technical teams in order to excel beyond just the initial pilot projects that they have. The next slide, it's about the change management essentials, how it is essential. So change management isn't optional, it's foundational. It talks about how involving your teams early, if you communicate clearly, share clear information, and be transparent. Communication on role impacts to invest in reskilling of employees for strategic skill development. 58%, which is a very high number of leading organizations, are already doing this. And leading companies, around 42%, redesign workflow for humans and machines to work together, not in isolation, which is covered in, just usually covered in human machine collaboration framework. Coming to the next slide, it talks about the technical architectural foundation. A successful A and BPM stack is modular, which is required for adaptability, with enterprise-wide standard for consistency. Performance tracking and continuous refinement through real-time data are vital for a success of a IA and BPM system. With 47% of successful organizations use process mining for continuous improvement. Coming to the next slide, which talks about the future of intelligent automation. So we are heading into a future where hyper automation, integrating AI, RPM, RPA, BPM, and analytics. As a part of process intelligence, it uses deep analytics to identify high value automation targets, and self-healing and adaptive workflow forms part of their autonomous process. With process intelligence in place and collaboration, we go beyond automation to transformation. And to conclude and final takeaway from this presentation, intelligent automation isn't just a cost-cutting tool. It's a strategic capability for new business model and resilient operation. They focus on end-to-end optimization, not just the isolation task. And usually what being seen is the winner in this space think beyond tasks. They reimagine entire process and build a future where machines and human co-create the value. So here I conclude. Thank you all for your attention and listening in. Hope that you have gained some insights about I, which is intelligent automation combined with the BPM, and how it is transforming and delivering the value. Happy learning, everyone.